Namaskar. Welcome to our yoga class. First of all, come to the cat position. Palms right under your shoulders and knees right under your hips. The back is straight. Bring your right leg to the side and start the rotation. Back is straight. Now straighten your leg to the back and start moving it up and down. Try to bring your leg as high as you can when it remains straight, and then bring back to the middle position. And now change. Check your body position and bring your left leg up to the side. Knee is bent. Keep your back straight and make the rotational movement with your knee. Now bring your leg straight to the back and start lifting it. Bring your leg up and down. Keep your back straight. Try to bring your leg as high as you can, but make sure it remains straight. Now bring your leg down again. Sit on your heels and bring your legs to the front. Cross your legs and place your heels right under your knees. Your shin bones create a straight line in front of you. Now bring your hands behind your back and with your right hand grab your left ankle. Take a deep breath, and as you breathe out, bend front and hold your breath. Breathing in, move up, and breathe out, front and down again. Stay in a comfortable position. Breathe in, move up, and breathe out, down and front. Inhale up, and exhale down. Hold your breath. Inhale and exhale. Inhale up. Exhale, front and down. Hold your breath. Inhale, move up. Exhale, down. Inhale. And one more time. Exhale. Hold your breath. Inhale, sit up, release your hands and legs, bring your legs backwards, and now your right leg makes a big step front. Bring your other knee on the floor. Place your hands in front of your chest and bring your weight more front on your right leg. Breathe. Take a deep breath, and now bring your left hand on the floor. Open your right arm up and look up, opening in your chest. Bring your right hand to the mat and bring your right leg backwards. Now your left leg makes a big step front. Bring your palms in front of your chest and bring your weight more front on your left leg. Keep breathing. Take one more deep breath and place your right hand on the mat. Open your left arm up and look up. Breathe deeply and observe the feeling of twist in your spine. Bring your both hands on the mat. Now let foot goes back, knees go down, chest go down. Push yourself and sit on the heels. Sit up and bring your feet in front of you. Place your feet together and bring your knees down to the floor. Rub your feet with your hands and make some butterfly movements with your knees. Now stop the movement and bend front. Bring your arms in front of you and try to reach as far as you can. Grab your feet and with your elbows, bring your knees closer to the ground. Now bring your knees together and spread your legs. Feet are looking up and find a comfortable position for yourself. Place your hands in front of you on a comfortable distance. Try to move more front and bring your hands away from your body. Keep your back straight and stay here in a comfortable position without too much tension. You can close your eyes and focus on your breath. As you inhale, your back becomes more straight, and with every exhalation, you relax your hips, relax your legs, and come a little bit more down. As you inhale, your back becomes more straight, and as you exhale, you gently move down. Take a deep breath, breathe in, breathe out, bring your hands closer to your body, sit up, bring your legs together. Move to the front of the mat and lie down on your back with straight legs and hands on the sides of your body. Take a deep breath, and as you exhale, bring your right knee close to your chest. Inhale and bring your right leg down. Exhale, bring your left knee to your chest and hold your breath. Inhale, bring your left leg back. Next time you exhale, bring your both knees to your chest. Inhale, release. And again, exhale, right knee very close to your belly. Inhale back, exhale, left knee. Inhale back, exhale both knees. And inhale. Exhale, right knee very close to your belly. Inhale. Exhale, left knee. Bring it as close to yourself as you can. And inhale. Exhale, both knees. Inhale, release. And one more time. Exhale, right knee. Inhale, release. Exhale, left knee. Inhale, release. Exhale, both knees. Hold. And inhale. Now make yourself comfortable. Find a comfortable position, lying on the floor with palms facing up and feet a little bit spread. Make sure you're comfortable enough that you don't have to move in the next few minutes. Take a deep breath, and as you exhale, relax your whole body. And one more time. Inhale and exhale. Relax your feet, calf muscles, knees, thighs, and hips, both legs. Relax your lower back and whole back, belly, chest, upper part of the chest, and whole chest. Relax your palms, forearms, and shoulders, both arms. Relax your head and face muscles. Relax your whole body. Now take a deep breath. Inhale, exhale. Move your fingers, move your toes. Bring your arms behind your head and stretch with all the muscles of your body. Smile with all the muscles of your face. And then turn to the right side and stay here for a moment. When you are ready, come to a seated position. Bring your palms in front of your chest. Interlapse the fingers, breathe out. As you breathe in, stretch up. Exhale one side. Inhale, stretch up. Exhale another side. Inhale, stretch up. Put your palms together, touch your forehead, touch your heart. Namaskar. Thank you.